Hello there, in this section today in Bushido, where honor is stronger than steel, we will explore the fourth virtue in the Bushido code, respect. The Bushido foundation of respect for others is sincerity. It is the sincere respect for others in one's heart, which then shows in their bearing and their words. For a samurai, and also the Japanese, even up to this day, respect, in accordance with the Bushido code, is not only shown in the way they talk, it is also shown in the way they stand and the depth of their bow, among other customs to show respect to others. From a common sense point of view, being respectful and courteous to another warrior makes a lot of sense. After all, there is no benefit from getting slashed or stabbed just because you offended someone by accident. So the samurai bow when they meet each other and greet each other courteously. They do not use vulgar language and they do not seek to offend or start fights. The samurai believed in courtesy so much that they had schools of etiquette and proper behavior. A follower of the best known school of etiquette of the Ogasawara Ryu was once recorded as saying, "The end of all etiquette is to so cultivate your mind that even when you are quietly seated, not the roughest ruffian can dare make onset on your person." Imagine a level of courtesy that can be shown merely through sitting quietly, without any words. Also, how does one sit politely? Does politeness apply to sitting or standing? The samurai believed that it did. Applying Bushido to your life today, our present society seems to lack a clear perception of respect, particularly the younger generation of today. People nowadays have become increasingly callous and impolite with their words and actions, and have no regard for others' feelings. We seem to have overemphasized respect for self, so much so that we have neglected respect for others. There is no harm in showing kindness, politeness, and affording a basic level of respect for your fellow man. Of course, your level of respect may differ from person to person. There is no harm affording to a higher level of respect for someone whose values you admire and look up to. Pay attention to others around you. Listen to the other person's ideas and opinions and encourage them to express them, regardless of whether you agree with the person or not. Respect the efforts of others and show your appreciation and gratitude where it's due. In business, respect plays an important role. Your actions and words could potentially make or break a $1 million business deal. The Japanese understand respect very well. In a business meeting, a Japanese businessman will choose his words with the greatest care. He will not choose topics of conversation that could possibly lead to offense. We may not be able to control the other factors affecting the business deal, like the economy or the exchange rate. However, we can definitely control our manners and words. Respect is also equally as important in the workplace, not just to your superiors and bosses, but to your peers and juniors as well. Every one of your colleagues has skills and knowledge that could help or contribute to your work. At the same time, they have the ability to delay or create obstacles for you and your work if you offend them. Being respectful for others will not only help you to build closer relationships with your colleagues, but also help you in the long run. Your colleagues may have ways to help you when you face issues in the future. Respect should be the outward manifestation of a sympathetic regard for the feelings of others. It would not be principle or moral value if it were practiced only for profit or gain. Not only should we practice courtesy because it is sensible and practical, we should also practice it because it is good, period.